Hey, I'm Brent. Today I'm going to show you how to install a mirror using these mirror clips. The homeowner's been having issues with this mirror falling off the wall. It looks like they've kind of have it over top of this receptacle, which is a little bit odd, which may be causing these to pull off. And they're probably just using these small little anchors and they keep pulling out. Now my mirror is 36 high. 58, and this is just under 80. So half of that is around this receptacle, like a half mark. Tried to fix this a bunch of times and they've had some problems. We're going to use an easy anchor. They work pretty good for stuff like this. Toggle bolts are pretty good too, but they might be just a little bit too heavy duty for what we're doing. Let's get going on this. So there's my center 30, it's a 58-inch mirror, so I have the 50. I spread these out a little bit more so we get a little bit more support outside. I'm going to come in at 24, 24, and 24. Okay. Now I also want to cover up these holes the best I can. I'll keep it around the same height as it's there. Using these brackets. There's a bracket. You stick the mirror in, the top bracket will go on it. So you have brackets with two holes for the bottom and a slider for the top. So these are basically the same brand. I almost want to use an extra one, but with this receptacle here, it really should be above this receptacle. Then I got a patch. Well, I'm going to go above the receptacle. That's the right thing to do, and we'll have to patch these up and try and find the blue paint wherever that is. So let's get started here. Take this old one off. I bet you just pull it out. Yeah. So that's what was holding. That's why we're having problems. See, these didn't even flex out properly. The screws are too small, or something's going on here. So if I go above here, I can actually put 3 brackets on, which is going to make it stronger. And I'll use some better easy anchors and screws. So level it up. Oh, look at the hump in the wall. Okay. Big hump in the wall. There's the bottom. What I'll do is center it on the receptacle, because that's for looks is going to work the best. That there. There. There's my, I'm going to go 24. And I'll level the top screw off at 24. Level the top at 24. Man, there's a big hump in this wall. I don't think that's going to work. What happened here? I remote it. Can mark the bottom. Oh, in the way. See if this works. I might not be able to do that. Got little easy anchors, little mini guys. Okay. Screw these guys on. Okay, now it's 36 high. Measure from the bottom, just over 36 there. From the bottom, just over 36. Okay, And I'm gonna level it up. That's about where it's gonna sit when it's closed, so I wanna go up above that. I'll make sure this can go above that. And again, my little easy anchors. So I'll mark this. So it's gonna close there. So we'll mark. That's where it's open. We'll just touch everything up. That's it. If you like this video, hit the like button, leave a comment below, or if you have any questions or you'd like to see something else, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.